Hey Rosie, would it be cool if I will eat your Oreo blizzard?
Don't do it. Angelica Pickles. How dare you eat my Oreo blizzard? Me, Caillou, Daisy, Cody, Emily, Lily, Hannah, Sapphire, Agnes and Amanda are about to go on a vacation to New York City, but you chose to ruin my vacation on purpose. That's it. I'm calling your dad about this. Go home right now.
When Angelica Pickles got home.
Are you serious, Angelica Pickles? How dare you eat Rosie's Oreo blizzard at Dairy Queen? That's it. You are grounded for 4 months. Go to your room right now.